Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have big bundle for you. Here is beer slogan t-shirt design or t-shirt bundle. Here is 71 files and in three different fonts format. One is APS, PNG and last is SVG file. And you see here the design. Beer is made by Vanny by God. So you can adjust anywhere. Keep clean, drink, clothed, beer. Here is just white in PNG and here is APS file. The last is SVG file. Wow, my blood tab is beer. So behind you see the drops of blood make a logo, look like a logo, and tab a quiz about beer and one bottle of beer. So here is mom needs beer. Okay, 43. You see here this design in PNG, drag anywhere, and you can use on t-shirts or anywhere about beer. So here, so I drag this file to Adobe Illustrator, and here is background, and then extract on design, then extract group, and you see one by one, and you can click or you can edit one by one, for example like this. Double click here, we change pink color to replace and in sky blue color, you see, and then you click here, you can change it going to dark pink, and then you select this area or this path going to this color. Okay, and we need the bottle are black. Okay, so that simple means you can edit complete shapes or text. These files are in editable files, and here is a PNG file. Drag and drop anywhere, drag to Photoshop, and you can change color with only magic tool, because magic tool select equal color or same color. Click there and going to blue and press Ctrl backspace, and you see it here, and then you can select this color going to red, Ctrl backspace. These files are PNG. You can't edit, but you can do edit. Here is SVG. Basically editable files are SVG, sorry, PNG. This girl need beer. Okay, here at 56. Good friends, good beer. Just you can change color. Here is green. You like your own shirt designs or background color. Beer user, just three color behind a white color, and dark yellow and black color. Stars are in white color, bottles are in white colors. I will fly with beer. Okay, you can't fly, I know, you have no wings. So I hope this data useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.